All right, first Lollipop, here we go. It's been a little over a year since I got my hands on this little Mossberg 802 Plinkster rifle, and thought we would just do a follow-up, talk about it, but do it in a fun way. While we're doing that, we're going to bust some lollipops, so let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you've been around the channel a while, you've seen me bust lollipops with little 22 rifles before, but this is the first time that I'm going to be doing it with this little Mossberg 802 Plinkster rifle. So 50 feet down range, I've got 5 of the little lollipops. Now, this is a really fun exercise, and it's something that I used to use when coaching my youth shooting sports kids, because the lollipop itself is about, I don't know, a 6 or better, maybe a 5 to 6 or better in the scoring area on a 50 feet small bore target. So it makes for a really good, fun practice. Going to be using some of the Federal Auto Match ammunition. Another ammo that I've got a lot of. I really like it. It's reasonably priced, and as far as practicing for competition and stuff like that, just general plinking, I think it's going to work fine. As always, before we get to live fire, safety first. So got my eyes on, going to put my ears in, and we will get this thing started. Now, I think I'm not going to have any problem going 5 for 5 on these lollipops, but I want you to jump down in the comments below and let me know what you think. All right, first lollipop, here we go. That's one. Now, if you're looking for all the specs and features on the Mossberg 802 Plinkster here, I invite you to check out that older video from a year ago. I'll link it somewhere up above. I want to talk about one thing that I'm not super impressed with, but given the budget nature of this rifle, it's understandable, and that's the action. The action is not the smoothest and easiest. It's certainly not glass, but again, for a budget rifle, that's to be expected. Second lollipop. Here we go. That would be 2. The second thing that I'm not real fond of when it comes to this little Mossberg rifle is the trigger. Now, is the trigger horrible? No, I think it's, again, like the action, it's in line with the price point on this rifle, but compared to a lot of the other 22 rifles that I own, this trigger, like the action, is pretty bad. Third lollipop. There went 3. Looking good. Now, one thing that I really like about this rifle is its size. It is fairly lightweight. It's fairly short length of pull, and it just makes it a great all-around rifle, not just for maybe youth that are starting out, but grown-ups as well, just to get out and have some fun on the range. All right, fourth lollipop. Here we go. See if we can make this happen. Boom, number 4. Another big thing that I like about this little Mossberg 802 Plinkster are the sights. Fully adjustable fiber optic style rear sight and a fiber optic style front sight with a hood. And I'm a big fan of the hood because, as you know, I have that shooting sports background. Front globe target sights are typically hooded, and so it kind of helps to align those sights just a little bit easier. All right, 5th and final lollipop. 5 stars, 5 in a row. Get my breathing down. And there is 5 in a row. Now, over the last year plus, I've had absolutely 0 problems with this little rifle. It's held up well, being a bolt action. It's fed and fired everything that I've put through it. And considering the price point on this little rifle, I just think that, yeah, you can't go wrong. If you do want to learn more about the features and specs, I invite you to check out, again, that video from about a year ago. I'll link that up right over here. As for this one, we're done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.